The last minute final surprise regarding the Samsung Unpacked event for the Z Fold 7 and the Flip 7 is finally here, and I can promise you no one, and I mean no one, expected this. Samsung is actually looking to go beyond Ultra with their foldables this time around. Before we talk about the surprise, let's take a look at some of the final leaks regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and well, we have the hands-on semi-unboxing look of the Z Fold 7 in this super exciting gradient blue color. Twitter leakster Jukon posted this, so this is absolutely real. You can see just how ridiculously thin the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is in real life. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It's almost as thin as the SIM ejector tray on the phone. I'm really happy that Samsung made this huge jump with the Fold 7 in just 1 year compared to the Fold 6. Now they're finally on par with the competition with the best hardware, and I think this is the right time. You can also see the triple camera setup on the back, so unlike other foldables, there's no massive camera bump, which is why the Fold 7 could feel even more thinner and premium to use in real life. And yes, there's no camera rings on the back like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so some people have definitely appreciated that decision. This is, by the way, the best camera setup we have ever seen on a Samsung foldable. So the main camera, as you know, is a 200 megapixel sensor similar to the S25 Ultra, combined with a 3x zoom and an ultra-wide-angle lens. I can't wait to get my hands on Samsung's most advanced foldable yet. This is looking pretty exciting. If you haven't done already, click the link in the description to claim $50 Samsung reservation credit, along with some other exciting perks. I highly recommend you guys to do this if you're looking to buy the Fold 7 or the Flip 7. Now, speaking of the Flip 7, the budget Flip 7 FE is happening this year. We saw a leak via Spigen. They accidentally did this early posting of the Flip 7 series, and you can see that there is indeed a Flip 7 fan edition. Although we don't know the pricing detail of this phone, it is expected to be at least $100 to $150 cheaper than the standard Flip 7. Now on to the big surprise of the year. This is our very first look at the Samsung's upcoming tri-foldable phone. This is actually an animation that was found within the One UI 8 software code, so you know this is officially fully real. There's a very good chance that Samsung will be teasing the Galaxy Trifold at the Unpacked event. Now, although there's no official name, it is expected to be called as Galaxy G Fold because it has two G-style inner folding from left and right sides. It's definitely a different approach compared to Huawei Mate XT, which, in case you don't remember, that one had the outer folding. So we have a massive display, which is at least 10-inch plus, and there's an inner front camera there, not an under-display camera. On the back, we have a triple camera setup, which is likely going to be very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, this is very similar to a tri-folding device that I saw at MWC. It was one of the early prototypes. Obviously, that device was a prototype, so it had much bigger bezels, but the actual Galaxy G Fold has a very slim bezel front display that you can fold from either left or right hand side, making it a Galaxy G Fold. In my honest opinion, I definitely think the Huawei Mate XT with its outer folding makes the usability more fun in more ways. Compared to that, this feels like a big tablet that can transform into sort of a mini tablet, or it can be completely fully closed and you can just place it in your pocket or your bag. Again, let me know what you think about the Samsung execution of the Galaxy G Fold. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the updates. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.